up, guys? Mr. Tupor here. Just got the new DND steering wheel, hub, and quick release in. We're gonna unbox it right now, and we're actually gonna install it into the car. So I've been waiting a little bit for this, but it's finally here. So let's check it out. So unboxing. Ooh. DND Performance right there. Follow them on Instagram. But oh my, this steering wheel. Look at that. Dang. I went with the flat base. I don't know the specific name for this, but I went with the flat base instead of like the longer nosed version of the steering wheel, just because I feel like it fits the MR2 a lot better. And then it also comes with a sticker and a horn button. And then we'll open this one. Woo! Okay, so they didn't have black, so I decided to go with purple, which is a hint for the new color of the car. I think it's pretty dope. I really like the purple. I feel like it's gonna be like one of those pieces that stand out in the car, but like if I ever get tired of this color, I feel like I can just wrap it black. But why would I want to hide this? It's so cool. And then the next piece that we got was the DND V1 spline quick release. I really like this quick release. Probably the only reason I went with this one over NRG was just because I really like how this is. It's like a newer style, and not a lot of people have this type of style. I was gonna go for the one where it flips up, or you know, something else, but I really like this style of quick release. It's a lot different because instead of pulling, you push down and then it releases it. And it's not that hard to line it up because you just have to line up this big spline. Once you get it, boom, all the way. Go ahead and set this up. So we have to first disconnect the battery. After disconnecting the battery, we can go ahead and remove the steering wheel, and hopefully that's not too hard and we can put this all together. So let's get right to it. So when doing any type of steering wheel install, you want to go ahead and remove the negative on the battery, or disconnect the battery in general, because you don't want that airbag blowing up in your face. So disconnecting the negative from the battery will help prevent that. So let's get a 10mm and we're going to remove it and get started on that steering wheel. Whew, there we go. Okay. So we're moving into the steering wheel. You want to have this in the same place that you want it to stay in the same place. You definitely want this to stay in the middle. You need to get the key. Turn it, straighten the wheel out. Make sure your wheel's straight. My wheels are straight. So now we're gonna evaluate what kind of screws and tools we'll need. That looks like there's two covers. And then two. What? So you need one of these pieces. I don't know what it is. A T30. I got a T30 and a screw, a drill. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. To remove the screws, you gotta pop off the two covers right here, and then there is a T30 right there, T30 right there, and then another T30 right there and right there. And then after that, we should be able to just remove it like that. There we go. And the next one is on top. This is really scary, guys. There we go. Okay, once you unclip it, you'll have a MR2 OEM airbag. Be careful with it, you don't want to blow it up still. And then, what bit are we gonna... There's mosquitoes. Oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna go get some mosquito spray first, because screw mosquitoes. Okay, I'm back. So I got mosquito spray, but I also got a 19mm socket. Goes straight in the middle, lefty-loosey. So it should be going to the left. Actually, that's right. Right. There we go. Now you can just loosen your bolt make sure your steering wheel is in the very middle. Very, very middle. That bolt wasn't that hard. Well, this car hasn't been touched in a while, so I doubt someone was gonna mess with the steering wheel in the first place. Got the bolts out, 19 millimeter. Put that in a safe place. And then, oh, there we go, first try. Got it out. I'm actually gonna get a screwdriver for the cruise control because I kind of want to try to save that. And then the next one, 3. There we go. And you have successfully saved your cruise control. I think I actually need to take off the whole thing to get the cruise control. Okay, we'll do that later. For now, we will focus on it's actually. I don't know if it'll let me keep cruise control because there is something on top of here. But we'll see. I think I need to open up this casing first. Make sure to keep your screws organized because there are longer and shorter screws. So I'm just gonna organize it right here on footwell. Not the smartest place, but it's better than not having it organized at all. So if you guys can't keep your screws organized, I'd suggest getting one of these. It's a magnet plate that will hold your screws. So now we can keep this all organized. So 2 for the top, 2 for the middle, and then I still got 1 more screw to take out. And now we have to take off this hub so we can put the new hub on top. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. Boom! Out with the. So this camera is running out of memory, so I need to just do this. So I'm just gonna time lapse me installing the steering wheel. So enjoy that. Boom! Look at that, guys. Oh, I got it a little dirty. I'm gonna have to clean that up, but look at that. The MR2 definitely needed an updated steering wheel. Looks so good. And when I get inside, this is a cockpit right here. And then you just push and then pull forward and boom. That looked a little harder, but I swear it wasn't that hard. But it looks really nice. I really like how DND did this steering wheel. It's really nice. Really like the spline look. Real race car right here. And it's a lot easier to get into the car now. So all I have to do is just get my steering wheel, line it up, and we are in. Look at that. So much better. Next upgrade is gonna be the radio, and then after that the shifter. And we'll see what happens next. Just know that this is the hint right here of the next color for the MR2. So guys, if you guys like this video, leave a like. If you want to know more about this DND steering wheel, leave a comment down below. I'll answer them for you. Or stop on by their website. Honestly, DND, really good quality steering wheel for a good price. And if you guys want to see what's happening next with the MR2, it might be wrapped this color. You never know. That it's very spontaneous with this car. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see what happens next. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mr. Too Poor checking out.